Hey, and welcome back to the Basics of Life Insurance with Mrs. Harris. And today we're going to cover how cash accumulates in a universal life policy. Now, in a universal life policy, when we talk about universal life, you have your regular universal life, and then you also have your indexed universal life. So this applies to both because it's universal life, right? So the premium, first part, your premium that you pay monthly, a portion of it is used to pay for the insurance and the administration fees, and the remainder funds your cash value. And then there's your interest. The interest is credited by the company and the rates can vary. However, there's usually a fixed rate. And with the regular universal life policy, that fixed rate is tied to market interest. In the index universal life policy, the interest rate is tied to the market indexed. There is a difference. There's a difference. We'll take a deeper dive into that if you choose to. That question itself would be a whole nother video, but you would have to request it, right? All right. And so then there is the guaranteed minimum, which most companies offer a guaranteed minimum rate, which pretty much means that that's your floor. You're hitting a floor. For let's be cautious there. With your index, you definitely hit a floor. All right. And then naturally, because it's one of the benefits of life insurance, which is what I mentioned in the video where we cover the benefits of permanent life insurance policies, is that the money grows tax deferred. Got it? So, however, if you decide to withdraw the money or take a loan on the money, at that point the money would be taxed, but it gets to grow tax deferred, right? And then there's your monthly deductions. Now, these are the charges for cost of insurance and fees, and they are deducted from the cash value. So, with your universal life policy, you want to make sure that your cash value is enough to cover those fees. So, anybody interested in getting a universal life policy, I would encourage you to take a deep dive. Make sure you understand what's going on. Make sure you talk to someone who understands what's going on and make sure that's the policy for you. All right. I'll catch you guys on the next video.